Hello, New School Baby Blues here. Today I'm doing a unboxing video of Tuma or whatever, Dragon D6 with actual metal charge. I got two competitive wise and one stock, one like what came in the parts, and then actual anime accurate. This anime accurate. So yeah, let's go. Oh, done. Oh. Okay. Oh god. No gimmick. Actual metal. Yay, finally actual metal one. Here's the code. Less detail like the other ones. No gimmick. No stickers on this. Different, pretty good slopes. There it is with the A. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.